right soon. It's talking about San Diego Freeway. San Diego Freeway. That's what they want me to do. So I'm gonna keep going straight for now. Anyway, here what we got? We got Panera. We've got Fish Grill that has a lot of new and exciting vegan options. If you guys haven't been there, I also like Urban Plates. I really like Urban Plates, but they don't have a lot of vegan stuff. At least they didn't in the past. They might now. We haven't been there for a while, and I missed that place. Urban Plates. But anyway, Panera, as I said before, Fish Grill. What else is in this plaza? There's a couple of new Asian restaurants that opened up that I like here. There's a Korean one and another one I can't remember the name of because I draw blanks. I draw blanks all the time. Doesn't mean they're bad. It's just I can't remember them because I
Likey